If you want to take a partial screenshot on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then unfortunately there is no dedicated way that allows you to just take a selective screenshot where you can select the area and that's all. However, of course, you can still crop the normal screenshot. So in my case, I'm gonna use the volume up button and the side button. I'm gonna press both of these buttons at the same time in order to capture the screenshot. And now over here, you might see a preview of this screenshot first in the bottom left corner, so you can tap on it in order to start editing. In my case, I am already editing, and you can see these white lines on sides and corners, which we can use in order to crop the unwanted area. So if I want to exclude something from the screenshot, I can easily do that over here while editing. And once I am done, I can just tap on this check in the upper right corner, and let's say I'm gonna save it to photos. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.